capital of the world. Lake of the Woods has maintained a rich fishing legacy for generations. When our lake thrives, we thrive. We love our Northwoods way of life. But each year, trash is forgotten or lost on the ice when fishermen leave. Shocking, I know. In the spring, the trash is consumed by the lake itself. That's not good for water quality. And we know great fishing comes by way of great water quality. Here are a few tips to make it as easy as possible to help us keep the lake clean. The first tip is to bring either dark or brightly colored trash bags. They're much easier to spot while out on the ice. Next, take an extra minute to make sure all trash is securely tied up in the bag and well secured in your vehicle, as trash tends to blow away outside of fish houses and fall out of the back of pickup beds. Lastly, it's important to have a plan for your garbage and waste before you go on the lake. Talk with your outfitter, resort, or ice road provider and find out what options they have for garbage service. Do your part, be responsible, and dispose of trash properly, whether that means pack in and pack out, or utilizing the dumpster provided by your outfitter or resort. Every small item of trash we keep off of the ice, multiplied by thousands of anglers over the years, adds up to significantly reducing the garbage that enters this incredible lake. Thank you for helping us keep Lake of the Woods clean.